Hi, I'm Noella Cristina. Welcome to our 9th day of Transformational Yoga. Our practice today is connection to earth. We are going to be practicing in nature-inspired yoga asanas in order to ground ourselves. Like always, let's start our practice calling upon our guru. So I see you on your yoga mat. I invite you to find your easy seat position of the day, connecting your sit bones to the ground. And this pose that already start grounding you, connecting your roots with the heart of Mother Earth. And as you inhale, bring your awareness above your spine, all the way above your head, all the way to the cosmos, connecting with the heart of Father Sky. And as you exhale, bring your hands in prayer in front of your heart and bow down gently to your own heart space. Let's take 3 breaths together. Inhale through the nose. Open your mouth side out. Inhale through the nose. Side out. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Om Shri Gurupyo Namaha Hare Om Sadashiva Samarambha Shankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Param Shri Jaganmataram Devim Sthitati Padmakasana Hridaya Sagaratitam Gomatim Pranatosmyaham. Oh. And take this moment here and now to bring your own personal intention for the practice. Now I invite you to rest your hands on your knee, bringing the index finger and thumbs together and placing your palms facing down. Straighten your spine, and let's take a couple seconds in the easy seat position in order to ground ourselves. And this practice of connection with Earth, I want to remind you that we are nature. We are not separated from it. We are part of nature. I invite you to take a long, deep breath in. Fill your lungs with air. Hold the air at the top. Slowly exhale through the nose. One more time, inhale, full capacity. Hold blow the air in, relax the muscles as you keep the air inside. Exhale. From here, you can gently open your eyes and make your way to tabletop position. Let's do some cat and cow. So inhale, look forward, tilt the tailbone, toes tucked. Exhale, round your spine, top of the foot on the ground for cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. One more, inhale, cow. Hold this cow for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, round. Hold the cat for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're gonna tuck your toes. Inhale. Exhale, make your way to downward facing dog. Keep the knees bent. Bring your belly towards your thighs. Seat high. Hold this downward dog for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to tabletop. Go to cow. Inhale. Exhale, cat. Inhale, tabletop, tuck the toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keep the knees bent. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, go to cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your core even more closer to the thighs. Open your upper back and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog. Next inhalation to go to cow. And then go to cat. And now we're going to do the bunny pose. Bring your knees together, your forehead right in front of your knees, top of your head on the ground. Hold your heels from the inside. Inhale, sit high. Breathe. Sit back to the ground, make your way to tabletop. And go to downward facing dog. Inhale, go to plank. Bring the knees to the ground. And make your way to up dog with the knees on the ground still. Exhale, child's pose. Just as transition. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Knees to the ground. And up facing dog. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. And now you can go to the ground the way we did, knees and then up facing dog, or you can make your way to the ground in chaturanga. Rest on the ground, hands by your chest. Inhale, come to baby cobra. Elbows hug the side of your body. Exhale down. Accommodate your pelvis. And we are coming up one more time. Inhale. Higher maybe. You can stay in baby cobra or cobra. Tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. You're going to walk your feet to meet your hands. And stay in low lunge. Just relax your head. Move your head from side to side. Saying yes and saying no. You're going to inhale. Make your way up slowly. The head is the last. And you find yourself in mountain pose. Open your chest, palms facing forward, tailbone under, and let's be in mountain pose for a couple breaths. Remembering that you are nature. Finding in this mountain pose the strength of the mountain. The stillness of a mountain. From mountain pose, you can gently open your eyes, and we are doing tree pose. Let's start with the first variation where you bring the heels to touch your a little bit above your ankle, toes tucked. So with the right leg, the right knee open slightly to the right side, and you can do any variation with your arms that you feel like. So we are holding each variation for 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. You're more than welcome to stay on the first variation, or you can bring your feet right by the side of your calf. Again, open the knees to the right and find a totally different arms position. You can keep looking forward or where the ceiling meets the wall or to the ground. Play with your drifty and see what works for you today. And hold for 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. You're more than welcome to stay here, or you can make your way to the third variation, bringing your feet right next to your thighs, your heels right below your pelvis, and use your feet to push your left leg away, the same energy you do with the left. The left leg is pushing the right away. Right knee open to the side, and find a totally different arms variation, holding for 3 breaths. Embrace the tree pose and allow the shake to happen. The wind is what keeps the trees strong. So the shake, the lack of balance, it's like the wind keeping you strong. 1 more breath. You're welcome to stay here, or you can move to the 4th variation where you bring your foot, your ankle twisted right in front of your pelvis with the sole facing up, and now your knee point down. Find a totally different arm balance and embrace the tree pose. Inhale. Last one. With grace, come off the pose, shake it off your legs, and let's prepare to the other side. Find the first variation in any arm position that feels good for you. Find your drifty, your eyes gaze, and hold for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Move to the second variation. Make sure that your feet is not on the side of your knee, but on your calf. 3 breaths. Prepare to move to the third variation. Find any arm position that feels right. And prepare for the fourth and last variation of tree pose. With grace, come off the pose and find mountain pose. We are finishing our practice today, grounding our feet, our roots to the ground in mountain pose. We are holding this pose for a couple breaths. So visualize roots coming out of your feet, grounding yourself on the soil of Mother Earth. Your roots are strong, healthy, happy, and resilient. Your roots is spread all over and all around. Through your roots, you receive all the nutrients, the energy, the nurturing from Mother Earth. And as you inhale, you bring all that to your body through your inner roots, your veins, your nervous system, bringing healing, strength, resilience, patience, trust, and anything else you feel the call. Bringing everything all up above your head as you expand your consciousness, connected with the cosmos, the whole universe, connecting with the heart of Father Sky. And as you exhale, bring your hands in prayer in front of your heart and bow down to your own beautiful heart. Take this moment to be grateful for your strength, for your nature, for your body, for your soul and your mind. Bring your hands to your forehead, bow down to your heart in gratitude. Be free, be true, be real, be you. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share this practice with everyone you feel would love it, and I see you on our next flow. Bye bye.